Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your REALME 6 Pro Plus. First, clean the microphone port with a non-metal tool. The microphone port is at the bottom right, close to the charging port, so make sure it's clean using a soft brush to remove dust. After cleaning, test the mic in a voice recorder app. If you have a tools folder, open it or search for the recorder app. Open the recorder app, agree and continue, press the button and allow notifications. You'll see the lines moving when you speak and they stop when you're quiet. You can save the recording and test it with lower volume to confirm it works. If your mic isn't working, restart the device first, as it can fix many small issues. Press the power and volume up buttons together, then swipe up to restart. As a last resort, update your software. Open Settings, scroll down to System and Update, then tap Software Update. Check if you're on the latest version. If not, tap Download and Install, then wait for it to complete and restart your device. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.